So I am making up my bed. I just changed my sheets, and I thought it would be a good time to give you an update because a lot of you have asked if I still am happy with my Birch mattress that I got about 6 to 7 months ago. It is a premium mattress in a box company, just to give you guys a little refresher. And one of the reasons that I loved it was, number one, it was just mindless. It was so easy. It's a mattress in a box. They just delivered it to my door, and all I had to do was open it up. And I think we can give you a rewind of when I opened it up and how easy it was to put in place. But the other reason that I liked it, and I continue to like it, what was really important to me, is that number one, it's a non-toxic, sustainably produced product. Now, what that means to me is it's not going to have any kind of, chemicals or anything like that. That could be problematic if you're somebody that has allergies, or my husband has respiratory issues, things like that, if you have grandchildren. So I don't have to worry about that. The other reason that I really like it is it's just such high quality and it's really good looking. But what's most important? Most importantly, it is so comfortable. It is just incredibly comfortable. And what I love about it, after a hard day of working in the garden or moving or whatever, what I love about it is it's comfortable, but more importantly, I don't wake up in the morning with any kind of back issues or sore muscles or anything like that, because I really did my due diligence beforehand, reading reviews about mattresses that were good if you have lower back pain and things like that. So for me, it was absolutely wonderful. It is an environmentally conscious company, and I'll give you some more of the reasons that I think it's definitely worth something to look into. But I wanted to give you just my assessment after I've had it for 6 or 7 months. Would I get one again? Absolutely, yes, I would. So I'm going to make my bed as I share some of the other reasons, if you're still sitting on the fence, some of the other reasons you might want to consider a Birch mattress. I ordered the Birch Luxe mattress and I put it on top of my box springs because I like a bed that sits kind of high, and I also love the way it looks aesthetically and how it functions practically. So if you don't want to bend down too low, if you're putting on your shoes or things like that, sometimes that's a consideration. And then I also got the topper for it that makes it that much softer and gives us that much more of a cushiony feel to get a good night's rest. Birch mattresses are not only non-toxic, but they're made right here in America and are crafted with organic and natural materials. So with every Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty.
I love my Birch mattress, and I think you will too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Birch. You can click the link below or go to birchliving.com/Vaughter and get 20% off your mattress and 2 free pillows. And if you're looking for a mattress for your little ones, also check out the new Birch Kids line.